Hi everyone! Today I'm gonna show you around a beautiful ranch and a wonderful gorge in my prefecture. Inabayama Ranch is one of the places I've often taken my kids to since they were small. Miyajima Gorge is one of the best healing spots I've ever been. Are you ready to explore? Now let's go for a drive. Inabayama Ranch is located in north of Oyabe City. When I first visited there, I followed the navigation system and it guided a shortcut road. Since the road was filled with nature and I loved it, I always take this way whenever I go there. So beautiful! Enjoy the lovely country road for a while with us. Now we are here at Inabayama Ranch. Minna そこでさ、ソフト食べる。ママソフトクリーム食べたい。かわいい見て、ようこそ。汗きたいとこ。かわいい。ここから見える？何さん。Oh, only 3 goats here. A lot of goats used to be set out to graze in a pasture behind this hut. But somehow we were healed by the goats and cute rabbits. 暑くてもうヘトヘトね。かわいい。何歳の時に来た？保育園の時? Walking along from the hut, there's an observation deck. Do you want to see the view? Let's go up the stairs. As it was so nice and clear day, we could see a wonderful landscape of Tateyama Mountain Ranch. What a beautiful view! Actually, I never noticed the cloudless clear sky until I looked at the windmill. We can also enjoy having soft serve ice cream made from the milk of the cows in the ranch.
濃厚、美味しいね。濃厚変わってないね。ここのソフトクリーム、ここの牛さんの牛乳使ってるよ。
We can also enjoy seeing the wonderful view going down from the ranch. Night view is also cool. Now we are heading to Miyajima Gorge. Both Miyajima Gorge and Inabayama Ranch are designated as excellent landscapes of undeveloped woodland area near a village in Toyama Prefecture. Miyajima Gorge is a mountain stream that has 2 waterfalls. We visited only the first waterfall that day, which were really beautiful.
見下ろせる。全然怖くないって。見て見てほら。すごい、見てほら。見て。冷たい。わあ、すごい綺麗。最高やね。めっちゃ透明。冷たい。
We enjoyed looking at the beautiful nature, touching the cool water and taking negative ions a lot for a while. How was that? I've wanted to introduce this kind of wonderful nature in a rural area in countryside Japan to you for a long time. I would be happy if you could enjoy exploring the beautiful nature with us. Thank you for watching.